Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're trying to send money from your Bank of America account to Wise in 2025, you've come to the right spot. Wise is a fantastic tool for international transfers with low fees and great exchange rates, and I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. This guide assumes you already have accounts with both Bank of America and Wise, so let's dive in. First things first, grab your phone or computer and log into your Bank of America online banking or app. Make sure you're using a secure connection, always a smart move when dealing with money. Once you're in, head over to the Transfers or Payments section. It's usually right on the dashboard for easy access. Next up, you'll need to add Wise as a recipient. Click on Add a new payee and enter the Wise details. Wise provides you with a unique account number or IBAN, depending on where you're sending from. Double-check this information to avoid any delays. Nothing worse than a bounced transfer. Now, enter the amount you want to send. Keep an eye on any potential fees. Bank of America might charge for outgoing transfers, and exchange rates could fluctuate in 2025, so it's worth checking Wise's app for the latest rates. Once everything looks good, hit Review or Confirm to go over the details one last time. Finally, authorize the transfer. This might involve a security code sent to your phone or email. After that's done, you're all set. The money should arrive in Wise within 1 to 3 business days, but times can vary based on 2025 banking updates. A quick tip: always monitor your accounts for confirmation and watch out for any new regulations in 2025 that might affect transfers. That's it for today's guide. Super straightforward, right? If you have questions or run into issues, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more finance tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.